Every August, people come from all over the world to gather in Squamish to Slackline. Before I started showing up with my camera, I honestly thought I had a pretty clear idea of the kind of people who, do these kinds of things. As it turns out, though, my initial assumptions could not have been more off. And the more time I've spent filming, the more clear it's become that I still don't know the first thing about how slacklining draws in the kinds of people that it does.
I'm chasing my fate, all by myself. I find no luck in a wishing well.
When I was 7, I walked down the stairs of this outdoor shop, and on the side, there was this poster of this guy walking. It just appealed to me, and I really wanted to do that right from the first time I saw it. A bunch of years later, I found out it was actually slacklining.
Mountains or hills to climb, but it's now or never to win this fight. Yeah, I gotta win this fight. Gonna face the music before I lose it, and I gotta do this.
Honestly, the first time I came here, I looked up at the big lines and the people walking that, and it seemed so crazy that you could walk so high up and so long. It definitely helps to have the people around you push you when you can't push yourself.
I'm feeling the heat burn up inside. While I'm on this train, I'm gonna keep riding. But when there's trouble, gonna strike with lightning. Nobody's broke, I can't see me. There ain't no rest till the rest in peace. And then there may be mountains and hills to climb, but it's now or never to win this fight. Oh, I gotta win this fight. Gonna face the music before I lose it, and I gotta do this while I'm alive.
In order to learn and to keep progressing, you need to push yourself to the limit of what you know you can do to be able to push that a little further and improve.
Now's my time. Now's my time.
It is probably what scares me the most, but also what I like doing the most, and sometimes I wonder how that's possible.
Back at the Chief, we've got the whole crew together with more people coming every single day. Our German friends have definitely been kicking things up a notch in their own unique way, and it's really fun to watch them out on the line.
Face the music before I lose it. I gotta do this while I'm alive. I face the music. It's time to prove it. I'm making history while I'm alive. And now's my time. Now's my time.
Spencer was also out there absolutely crushing it, setting a new personal record on what was the longest line we've rigged so far in Canada.
Now's my time.
Had so much fun out there. Oh, that's like, the longest exposure turn on the longest line I've done, I guess. And it felt really cool. Yeah, I'm super stoked. And I guess we have to find something bigger around here.
The community that's within the group is, to me, the most important part. It's amazing.
the people walking the big lines are inspired by the people trying their little hearts out on the small ones, and then the people crushing the big lines are inspiring the people that are afraid to get out on the small lines. So it's really what this whole thing is about.
To be here every day is like, you actually get to feel like you're at home. Every time it's like a little easier to get out on the lines. I can't wait. Like, I stand here wanting to get on right now, but part of me is like a little scared.
Mia's crushing right now. She definitely has progressed really fast, but like in the last 2 days, the progression has skyrocketed. Keep stepping! She's just been super dedicated, you know, like there's not one slackline session that goes on that she's not a part of or trying to be a part of. Yeah, a week ago, Mia's head was just holding her back. I think she completely had the ability to do this, but she didn't have it in her head to like stand up and push herself. And it's really amazing to see how hard she's been pushing these last couple of days. And the progression is in front of you. World class, right there. Good work. Oh, it was so crazy.
I can't believe I was scared to step on long lines till like 2 days ago. Because they're so much nicer than the short ones. Yesterday was my first day actually leash falling in the scully.
You realize that most people when they're learning take leash falls all the time.
Most people, yeah. Which is probably, if I would restart, I would probably force myself to fall right from the start, because it's hard to fall when you make yourself fall when you don't like it. It seems scary in my mind than to just fall because you're falling.
Yeah.
But today I took 2 more, so it's good.
It's been an incredible few weeks for the books here in Squamish, and the whole crew all around has been progressing immensely. But our time on the Chief is done, and the whole team has kind of been shifting gears as we dive into the details for planning what will be one of the most ambitious trips, rigging projects, missions that we've ever gone on. I'm personally really curious to see how the next few weeks unfold.
You like making me do new things. Like keep go on the line before going on the short line, and then you're like, try standing up and walking that up part. Come sit in this chair. Like, really?
Means we're gonna sit up in here again. Is that cool with you?
Do I have a choice?
No.
Wait, what?
Tomorrow's a 5 a.m. start, and it's gonna be real good. But that's it for today. Tomorrow's gonna be awesome. Life's better when you make stuff.
Today is tomorrow.
Today is tomorrow.
Yeah.
Today's gonna be great.